Can a Polaris off-road buggy beat an off-road modded superbike in a series of off-road races? The first race we're going to run is an uphill drag race. Whichever vehicle wins gets 2 points. The loser gets 1. If it fails to make it up the slope, no points. I have my 2 riders, well, and driver. So this is Chris Northover from Bike World TV on the bike. What is this?
It's a bit of a Frankenbike, Matt. In 2002 when it came out, it was the pinnacle of superbikes. GSX-R 1000 from Suzuki, 140 horsepower, 198 kilos, and then someone, clearly after some alcohol, put some different wheels in it. So it's now got off-road front tyre, loads of underbody protection, a few other mods to help it survive the day. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
So how much did this cost all in, like the bike and the mods?
So the bike, these things cost between 2 and 3 grand, depending on the state of the one you get. And then we threw a load of over-the-top mods at it and a load of hours into it. So it's about probably 5 grand all in.
So let's move over to the Polaris. Sam, tell me about this.
So this is a lovely little Polaris.
Can I see your beautiful eyes? There they are.
This is a lovely Polaris. It's a 1 litre 2-cylinder, pretty much the same size as Chris's Suzuki. It's got 112 horsepower, much less than Chris's Suzuki.
Not much less, come on.
Much less. It weighs 750 kilos, which is much more than Chris's Suzuki.
Yeah, it is.
And it was for a bargain price of 29 grand.
But this is brand new.
This is brand new.
And you've got 4-wheel drive, he's got rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Okay. Okay, anyway, shall we get on with the race? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was so close! Woo-hoo! That was epic. And I love just how competitive it was. Sam, how do you think you did?
I don't know who landed first. I think that's who wins.
No, unfortunately, who crossed the cone first?
I don't know.
Well, it was actually. Yay! The bike won that one. Well done, Chris.
I was trying hard then.
Utterly amazing, so close. Bike won it. 2 points to the bike, 1 to the car. This next challenge isn't just about performance and traction, it's also about agility, because they're going to race through the woods here, go around a tree, then through some divots and back across the line, and I'll be timing them. Fastest vehicle wins. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That is no joke. Whoa! I forgot to stop it! Sam, can you go again? I forgot to stop the timer.
Really?
Yes. Do you reckon you can go quicker?
I can try.
You look quite wet. Sorry. Poor Sam. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! He's going to go quicker, I bet. Whoa! Whoa! I'm not going to reveal the time until Chris has gone.
Chris is looking nervous. That's what's happening here.
Chris, no pressure, yeah?
I'm quite nervous.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Chris.
Come on, keep me, I'm in agony.
That was amazing. Right, so you ready for this?
Go on.
You've got a time of 12.8 seconds. That is so quick. It wasn't as quick as Sam. Yes! I did 12 seconds flat.
No! I can't believe it. 0.8.
Yeah, so
How am I wetter than you?
I don't know, but
That's what cost the 0.8 of a second. I should be wetter.
Yeah.
you should be wetter. So there we go. You get 1 point, you get 2, so it's 3 points apiece. Want to sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price? Then head to Carwow to have over 4,000 trusted dealers ready to bid on it in an online auction. First, enter your car's registration to get an instant approximate valuation. Then, if you want to proceed, give us some more details and upload some photos, and we'll help you set a fair reserve price for your car. That's the minimum amount you'd be happy to sell it for. Once you've done that, we'll enter your car into an online auction. When the auction's over, we'll let you know the result, and the dealer with the winning bid will be in touch to arrange easy payment and free collection of your car. 93% of sellers surveyed said they got the price they expected or more through Carwow. The best bit is, it's completely free! I put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment to take you directly to Carwow, where over 4,000 dealers are ready to bid on your car. Or you can just click on the pop-out banner that should be appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now. Alternatively, just Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price. On with the video. For this next race, they're going to drive or ride up this slope, turn around at the top, and then come down these steps here. Oh, we're timing them. Let's find out which is quickest. You ready, Chris? 3, 2, 1, go! Chris is a nutter. Here he comes. Whoa! Whoa! 12.06. Wow.
Good luck, Sam.
3, 2, 1, go. Sheep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, I got soaked.
Awesome.
I wish I hadn't been standing there. I really wish I hadn't. You just did. No, let's do you first. You did a 12.06, which
Right.
is really, really quick.
Why are all the challenges 12 seconds?
I don't know. Or are they? Or are they more?
Are they 11?
Sam, you did an
11?
11.21, and as an added bonus, you got me at the same time.
Fair play.
This doesn't feel comfortable. Anyway, 2 points to you, 1 point to you, it's 5-4. If he wants to make adjustments, he can make adjustments. He's making his suspension softer, isn't he? What are you doing?
Stiffening the dampers.
Stiffening, okay, I thought you were making it softer.
It's too soft.
Oh, is it? Okay. Is this going to make all the difference?
Ow.
Oh,
I cut my thumb.
oh no.
Ow!
Help!
Where do you live?
I don't know.
Ow!
Ow!
Shut up, it hurt.
The next challenge is to race through here, slalom through the cones, around the top, back, slalom through those other cones, over this jump, through the water splash, U-turn, then back over this jump, across the finish line. Sam is going first in the Polaris. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, good to up. Clip the cone, rip the reflector off it. This is really impressive. Wow. Whoa, yes! Hey, come on, here he comes. Across the line. What will Chris do? 3, 2, 1, go! He clipped a cone as well. Whoa! Oh, he's going to be close. Where is he? He needs to come fast. He needs to come fast. Oh. Oh.
So sketchy. You look smug.
I have no idea.
Chris. Actually, no. Sam, you did a 26.89.
I don't know what that means.
No, very well done.
You did a 27.77. Oh, that was so close. 2 points to Sam, 1 to you, Chris. 7, 5. Now we're going to have a simple drag race. Let's find out what happens. Whoa! Whoa! It was close for a very short period of time, but Chris absolutely destroyed him. Clear win. 2 points to Chris, 1 to Sam. That means the scores are 8 points to Sam and 7 to Chris. All to play for as we're going to the last challenge. What we have here are 2 hills. There's one there, it's pretty steep, but there's a steeper one just over here. They're going to get to choose which hill they go up. If they go up this hill, there's a maximum of 2 points if you win the challenge, if both go up the same hill. However, the fastest up that hill, you get 4 points. I don't know who is going to choose to do what. Maybe they'll do that hill, maybe they'll both do that hill. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, Sam, so what you decided to do?
So I've walked it, and there's a kicker at the end, right? It goes up by about another 5 degrees. The thing is, I know I can bag points in that, but I know whether I barrel roll down it or don't make it up, it's 0 points. This is a strong thing, it's got a good roll cage, so it doesn't matter, but I don't want to lose. So I think this is the option. I think Chris has to try and go for a win, and I don't think he can get up there.
Okay, right. So you're playing it safe, you're
Yeah.
going to just fly up here, hopefully be able to be quicker than him up here.
Yeah.
We will see. So let's get on, and I'm going to time you up here, see how quick you go. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Here he comes. That was bloody quick. 3.92 for Sam. Can Chris get up there quicker? I doubt it.
He's got to go for that.
He's going to have to go for it. So Chris, Sam just did a 3.92, which is blooming quick up there. He's 1 point ahead of you now. If you can go up there quicker, it'll be a dead heat, you will draw.
Right.
If you can make it up there, you get 4 points,
So
which
I
means you win.
So the best I can do is a draw on that hill.
Yeah.
But I still might not beat him.
You still might not beat him.
It's got to be all or nothing, hasn't it?
Are you sure you really want to go up there?
Not really, but
You don't have to do it.
no. Do I have to do that in any particular time?
You just have to get up there, I think.
Just have to get up. How many attempts?
Think that's fair enough, Sam?
Formal protest.
How many attempts do I get?
You've got to do it in 3.92 seconds.
One attempt.
One attempt.
One attempt, no practice, straight up.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
I'll say what's fair. Right.
We've taken the power away. Sorry.
Basically.
Sorry, Dad.
If you can get up there, you win
Right.
in the first attempt. If you can do it on the second attempt, it's a draw.
All right.
Yeah, come on. Because, I mean,
All right.
yeah? Good, let's
Fair
do
enough.
it.
Is it little GSX-R?
Go on, sunshine, go on!
Everything we've done has been the sketchiest thing I've done all day. But that takes the
Man,
biscuit.
you deserve that. 4 points, and look, I timed it.
4:51.
4.51, so,
Similar to...
like, that's just less than a second slower than he went up there. Are you actually, is that really you?
Yeah.
Is that real?
A bit of adrenaline going there.
Blimey heck, you nutcase.
Matt, we've done a lot of these drag races and it's been a lot of fun, but can I just say this has been the best day ever.
Oh man, I'm so impressed with like your riding skills. This is not supposed to do this.
No one told it though, did they?
Wow, what a machine. 7 plus 4, 11 points to you. Sam, 8 plus 2, 10.
I can actually hear him crying down there.
Sam!
That was really scary.
And do you know how quick he went up there? So you did a 3.9.
Yeah.
You did a 4.5.
That's only because I didn't want to be on the hill any longer than necessary.
Completely insane. So unfortunately, Sam, it was very close. You were never going to make it up there.
No.
But do you know
My
what?
goodness.
That Polaris proved what a proper off-road vehicle can do, because everywhere else it's been phenomenal.
Yeah.
I think it's been really blooming close, to tell you the truth. That machine is absolutely nuts. But I think it goes down to your riding skill. See, Chris is, he's really kind of like modest about his riding skill. He does a lot of off-roading. He's a proper racer. He's got such incredible skills, and I think he's demonstrated it today by off-roading like a lunatic on a road-going superbike with some knobbly tyres and a skinny front wheel. And look what he's made it do.
And no front brake.
And no front brake. Oh, well done. Oh, wow. Listen, I hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I did. I'm so glad that no one died. If you want to watch some more videos, click on the video windows and on the carwow logo for a nice surprise. See you later.